Hi everyone. Hope everyone is doing well. So today we are going to look at internal orders and how business users or end users create those orders based on the order type we created last time. So the path for that is easy access, and you go to accounting, controlling, internal orders, master data, special functions order, and then KO01 create internal order. So we click that. We have our controlling area there and order type. If you recall, it was NSHR, so we're looking for that. Okay, let's just use the search. Oh, I found it. It's towards the end. Click on that, NSHR. So you can create by reference also, but let's use this and then go to order master data. All right. So company code, currency transferred. Now let's give description. So we can say, okay, so we're collecting costs for machinist hiring for 2025. So that's our campaign, and you can put other or elements here like planned business area is needed. Let's go to control data. So it is created and we can release by pressing this button will come. So this is not a statistical order, it's a real order. And period and closing, we don't have to worry about period and closing, but at some point we'll talk about this. And then there's settlement rule also we'll have to. So general data, this is just general information about internal order, and this is related to investment profile, things like that. So I guess this is the minimum. So let's save this. Now you cannot post to it until and unless you are already created with the order number 1160, and you cannot post against it unless it is in the release state. So let's try and post. So let's go. So we'll post a GL document and then give internal order. So right. So GL account, West Post. Okay, so we need to create a couple GL accounts which we can use like for travel and things like that to post against this. So let's go there. Which we can specifically use for. So let's copy the one from utilities and copy, and we can say 30 and primary cost expenses, and then here we can say recruitment and control data. Okay, posting name, primary cost. Okay, cost element categories. Now here we have to change. So the cost account. Let's see if we can go from here. Okay. Okay, so let's save that. And let's go to, we'll have to adjust the field status group so that it allows for to make the internal order compulsory, mandatory. So let's go to IMG. Let's see if there is IMG. So we have IMG open. Uh, so we have to go for financial accounting, ledger fields, field status variant. So we go field status variant here, and our field status variant is was NSFV. So we can look at the field status groups here, and we have this. But if you look at the G004, and if you look at field status, the additional accounting, okay, cost center was not mandatory. But what we want to do is we want to have CO order mandatory for one of the. So let's do this. Let's copy this and create something like accounts for internal order. That's what we'll say. Okay. And let's look at the field status and additional account. So we'll make this as required entry. Save it. So Z004, so save this. Okay. Back out. Go back in and we go to change. And instead of G004, we need to put Z004. So, and so whenever you post against this, it will require the internal order number to be put. Okay, so that's that.